there beauties, my name is Riya and in today's video we'll be creating a stunning Navratri makeup look that will help you light up your dance floor. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And now without wasting any time, let's get glam and festive ready in few minutes. So first thing you have to keep in mind is you need to push your hair away. So I've tied my hair and I love using my headband. So I'll just push my hair behind and I'll wear this. So yeah, let's get started with prepping my skin first. So I'm using the Plum thinkDERMA 2% Niacinamide gel cream and I'll spread it all over my face and then I will dab it into my skin and let it get absorbed. I will also do some skin massage. This helps to nicely plump the skin and increase blood circulation to give a natural glow. Next I'm using the Quench Bravocado moisturizing primer and I will apply it only in the open pores of my face where I have a lot of oil production going on, and I'll massage it into my skin to blur out all the open pores. Now that my skin is prepped, I will now apply the Quench Mon Cherry color corrector. This helps to hide all the dark patches of your face. Right after that, I will use the Flicka foundation all over my face and my neck. I make these dots and then with the damp sponge I will be spreading it all over my face and the neck. It gives a nice full coverage. I really love this foundation. You can see it's a beautiful foundation, gives a nice glow as well. Now I'll be using the Swiss Beauty concealer and I'll conceal all the areas that I need to be highlighted and are a little darker. Now my face base is ready. I will apply the loose powder by Sugar and I'll apply it all over my face because I want this makeup to last for long. I'm using the Sugar eyeshadow palette. All the links to the products are in the description box. Blending of eyeshadows is the most important step, and as you can see I am keeping my eye open when I do that blending because that is really important. It gives a beautiful blend to the eyeshadow, especially on your crease. Then I'll take a darker shade and I'll put it on the outer corner of my eye. Blending again is very important in your eyeshadow game. Now I'm taking a lighter shimmer shade for the inner corner of my eye. Then I'll be applying the eyeliner off camera because I'm really bad at it. Next I'll be using the Hyper Curl mascara by Maybelline and I'll curl my lashes. This gives a beautiful volume and curl to my lashes. Then I'm using the Wet n Wild brow palette and I'll first shape my eyebrows and then fill it up. Brushing them after filling them is really important. That gives a natural look. Then I'm using the Plum Kajal, the NaturStudio Kajal, to tightline my lower lash line. Then I'll use a flat brush to again spread the eyeshadow and smudge it on my lower lash line. Now wipe out all the extra pressed powder that you have on your face. I'm using the Sugar Pop blush in this shade Sienna. Always apply the excess blush on the back of your hand and then apply it on your cheek. That gives you a subtle blush look. Then I'm using the Sugar setting spray and I'll put the makeup in place so that it doesn't move and it stays in place for longer time. Now I'll take the same eyeshadow palette that we used and use it as a highlighter because I don't like to have a lot of highlighter on my face. This works best. I'll highlight all the high points of my face and also the inner corner of my eye. Then I'll go with the MyGlamm lip pencil and I'll line my lips. Then I'll use the Starstruck by Sunny Leone lipstick. This brings all of the makeup look together. The lip shade is really playing a very important role in my look, and you can see the makeup is done. It looks super glowy and not too much. Here is a before and after of my look. So there you go, this is my look for this Navratri, where you will be stunning and glowing on the dance floor. If you like this look that I've created, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have left all the links to the products that I've used in the description box, so you can check them out, and I've also left some coupon codes for you so that you can get some exclusive discounts. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.